Hi, this is MarcTutorials and welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how to use Lightroom mobile presets. Let's start. Before downloading the preset, you have to find the password first. Finding the password is pretty simple. You just have to watch the video in YouTube app and wait until the password appears. After you got the password, proceed to the video description and click the download link. Let's try the Dropbox link first. Open the link in Safari or Chrome for Android. The process is just the same in Android. Enter the password and download the preset. After downloading, share, or transfer the DNG file to your Lightroom app. You got the preset now. Next is copy the preset settings and paste it to the photos that you want to edit. Wow, looks good. You can also save the settings as a preset in your Lightroom app. Just create a preset and name it and then save. You can now find the preset in your Lightroom Presets tab. Now, I will show you how to download the preset using the Google Drive link. Let's go back to my video and click the Google Drive link. Just repeat the process. Enter the password, download the preset and transfer the DNG file to Lightroom. Thanks for watching and I hope you find this video helpful. Download my presets now.